video, we are going to discuss Summative Assessment 1 Physics Answer Key, and this exam is conducted in December 2021. Let us discuss Part A, Section 1. What happens if concave mirror is used as a rear view mirror? Concave mirror forms a real and inverted image due to which the objects would appear to be inverted. Balance the following chemical equation. Mg plus O2 gives to MgO. So 2Mg plus O2 gives rise to 2MgO. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Third question, the information of the image formed by a convex lens is given by the following table and answer the following question. So this is the question. So first question is which object forms virtual image? So object Q forms virtual image because when the magnification is positive, the image will be virtual, erect and enlarged. So name the object which placed at the center of the curvature. So a same size real and inverted image is formed at the center of the curvature. Moving on to the fourth question. Mention the characteristics of the image formed when an object is placed beyond C of a convex lens. So this is the image, students. The position of the image will be formed between F2 and C2. 2F2 and C2 are one and same. So when an object is placed beyond C or C1, beyond C1, the image will be formed between F2 and C2. The two inverted image. Fifth question. Observe the following equation and answer the given question. Ferrous oxide plus aluminum gives to Al2O3 plus iron. What information does the equation give us? So this is a displacement reaction because aluminum has higher reactivity than iron. As aluminum is more reactive than iron, it displaces iron and form aluminum oxide. So this Al2O3 is aluminum oxide. We'll discuss sixth question now. Mention the uses of baking soda. It reduces the acidity in the stomach. It acts as an antacid which used to treat stomach upset and indigestion. Used in the process of washing as a water softener. Due to the formation of soapy foam, it is used as fire extinguishers. Section 2, seventh question. Write all the materials required to show that the hydrogen gas is evolved when metals react with acids or bases. So the following are the materials are required. One is test tube, tube for delivery, trough made of glass, 4 candles, soap and water, diluted HCl and granules of zinc. We'll see eighth question now. What happens if ciliary muscle do not function properly? The human eye can only see objects at a certain distance. The eye cannot see the objects which is closer or at a great distance. Weakening of ciliary muscle leads to presbyopia. This can be corrected by a bifocal lens. Ninth question. Mention the chemical equation of a reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to yield water and balance it. So H2 plus O2 gives to 2H2O. 10th question. Mention the uses of spherical mirrors. So spherical mirrors used as a rear mirrors in vehicles, reflectors in street lamps, security mirrors in shops, surveillance mirrors at curved roads, optical instruments such as telescopes and cameras, etc. Section 3, 11th question. List out the material required and write the experimental procedure to find the image distance using convex lens when an object is kept in front of it on its principal axis at different locations. So to find the image distance using convex lens when an object is kept in front of it on its principal axis, we need convex lens, measuring scale, optical bench, needle candle. In the following table, nature of some solutions are given, students. So when blue litmus paper is dipped into the above solution, what happens to its color? So we all know that when blue litmus is dipped in acid, it will change its color from blue to red. When blue litmus is dipped in base, it will not change any color. Second one, when red litmus paper is dipped in the above solutions, what happened to its color? When red litmus paper is dipped in acid, no change will be taken place. When red litmus paper is dipped in base, it changes its color from red to blue. Which of the above sample turns methyl orange solution to yellow color? All the bases, these are all the bases: sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. They will change its color to yellow. Which of the following samples turn phenolphthalein indicated to pink color? Again, all the bases will convert, will change into pink color. Radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 30 centimeters. Then draw the ray diagram if the object is placed at 30 centimeters from the mirror and is placed at C. When the object is placed at the center of the curvature here, the object will be formed at the center of the curvature itself. Same. The image will be inverted at the same size of the object. 14th question, 112 grams of propane is combusted. Mention its project, write balanced chemical equation and calculate the mass of the carbon dioxide involved in the reaction. Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss answer key for biology essay 1 question paper year 2021. Let us discuss part A section 1. Define photosynthesis, write its equation. Photosynthesis is nothing but conversion of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water into sugars and oxygen. So 6CO2 plus 6H2O gives to C6H12O6, which is nothing but glucose plus oxygen. Write two slogans on organ donation. Let's share our life with others. Come ahead and take part in saving lives. These two are slogans for organ donation. Write the difference between arteries and veins. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, veins carry blood towards the heart. Arteries carry oxygenated blood, veins carry deoxygenated blood. Arteries have thick walls with muscle tissue, veins have thinner walls and use valves to keep your blood flowing. We'll move on to the fourth question. Why do you add diazine green solution in the experiment of anaerobic respiration? Diazine green solution is added to glucose solution in anaerobic respiration experiment to check presence of oxygen in glucose solution. What would happen if there is no epiglottis in your body? If the epiglottis is absent in the body, then the regulation of food materials to esophagus and air into lungs will get disturbed. Sometimes food enter into the windpipe and then cause choking. Eventually, the lungs cannot work properly, which can lead to death. Sixth question, draw the flow chart of pathway of air from nostrils to alveolus. So this is the flow chart, and please make a note of this flow chart, students. This is very, very important. Moving on to section 2, seventh question. Almost all the living world depends on plants for their survival. Justified. Among all the living organisms on planet Earth, only plants are capable of producing their own food and deriving energy from it. Hence, they are the producers. Plants can be treated as a wonderful natural machine that converts solar energy into the chemical energy. Eighth question. What questions would you ask to your teacher to know more about blood pressure? So students can ask this question to teacher. What causes blood pressure? What are systolic and diastolic blood pressure? What is normal blood pressure? What is the difference between low blood pressure and high blood pressure? What health problems are associated with high blood pressure? So on. Draw a neat label diagram of internal structure of kidney. So this is a longitudinal section of kidney with parts. Just have a look, students. 11th question. What is malnutrition? Explain two malnutrition deficiency disease. Malnutrition is the absence of two or more nutrients from the food in desired amounts. Malnutrition can occur either because of presence of low calories or proteins. Two most common nutrition deficiency diseases are kwashiorkor. It is caused due to intake of diet that contains either low or no protein. The disease is characterized by poor muscle development, swollen body, swollen stomach, diarrhea, and dry skin. Marasmus. It is caused by the intake of diet containing low amounts of proteins and calories. The disease is characterized by dry skin, lean and weak body, visible ribs, and less developed muscle. 14th muscle. 14th question. Name the different excretory organs in human body and excretory material generated by them. So these are the excretory organs and excretory material generated. Just have a glance of this answer, students.